Welcome to all the investors and the traders. So today we are going to do the weekly breakdown analysis of gold, where we took already trades made around like 53.93 USD. So I'm going to explain one by one so that you can get a lot of insights, and it will be useful for you to execute the trade and make money from the next time as well. So the first trade that I took was March 10, or sorry, March 10. So if you look at here, this chart, it will give you a lot of things. All right. So if you look at here, this candle created a resistance at this point, and after the next candle, breaking the low of the candle, I executed, and it pushes down. But at the same time, if you look at here, there is a clean traffic to the left as well, and it's a high volume time as it's a London Open time. But I scared to hold longer because if you look at here, this candle has no wicket top. So, all right, got it? Makes sense? It has no wicket top. So I feel scary at this point. Executed a sale as though, but it does not work out. So I close like a 13.1 pips profit, making like a $19.65. That's awesome anyway. If it's created a wick to the top, then probably I will hold a little bit longer because it will gives me a lot of confidence. But at this time, where should I put my stop loss? Looking at on a 30-minute, it's impossible to put my stop loss above like 49.50 pips. That doesn't make any sense. All right. So I got like a 13 pips and call it a day on March 10. Next day, on March 11, I took a shell, another shell. So let me explain you very clearly. All right. So if you look at here, this is the second trade that we took the previous week. So if you look at here, it has created a support at this point, 30-minute candle closures, all right? And the next candle, okay, let me make it a little bit, okay, thinner, all right? It has created a support at this point, and it's a high volume time. Do you know it's a pre-London session, so we can expect a lot of volume at this point. And this candle created a weak and breaking the low of the previous candle. I executed my sale right up over here, and it pushes drop down like till this point, and again retraces back to my zone. So I closed the trade, getting like a 10 pips, executed 0.15, consistent lot size, made around $15, and call it a day for March 11. So if you look at here, I just follow the rules not to take over trade. I just follow one or two trades a day, no more than that, because we want to be a disciplined trader, all right? So let me explain the third trade that we took, this trade right up over here. So if you look at it here, the third trade that I took, sell again. So let me explain the overall psychology behind this trade, all right? It has created a support at this point, resistance, candle already been draw down like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 15-minute candle. Looking at on a 30-minute time frame gives you more confirmations as well. So sorry, if you look at this candle, this candle created a wick trying to break the low of the previous candle. Just executed my sale, thinking that it will continue to push down and fill this wick. But unfortunately, looking at a 15-minute, it gives me some sense that we already been moved down like 91 pips. So what's the probability that the next candle will continue to push down? It's going to be very, very low. That's why immediately I close my positions on 6.7 pips. Means if you look at my lot size, I lowered my lot size because I was not that much confident at this trade, as I was confident to the first to trade. That's why I just lowered my risk, means already been managed the risk, and also close all the position. Look at here. So manage losses. So it's a key factor to become a profitable trader. And the next trade that I took was obviously the sale. So if you look at here, this candle has created a resistance at this point. At the same time, it has created a support at this point. This candle broke and closed below this support, but at the same time, see, is this candle has any wick to the low? Obviously not. So again, the next candle created a wick trying to break the low of the previous candle. And since it's a pre-London sessions, probably let me check it. Let me check the time. I think it's yeah, pre-London session, so high volume to be expected. There is a clean traffic to the left. So I executed a sale, but it just dropped down and retraces back to my zones. So I put my stop loss at break even, and it hit my stop loss. So I was not comfortable. So I could not take the second trade because there is no wick to the left or the previous candle. So it is what it is. So it is all about the, but if you look at here, I got a sale. So I spotted the trend, and keeping the fact that I will take same type of trade setups if it's come to the next time. So it's all about learning, all right? Not always earning. The another trade that I took was see March 13, and the next trade was March 14. So it's a March 14 trade that I took and got like a 13.6 pips. Let me explain this trade more generously, all right? Okay. So basically the overall the session trend was down, no problem. So it has created a resistance at this point, and the support has been support has been formed at this point, all right, at this point. So if you look at here, okay, let me delete it. It has break and close above this resistance, means it's a good opportunity to make a buy. So I waited for a candle to create a wicket first, because this candle is a gladiator candle. You know gladiator? Gladiator means something who leads and shows the way for their followers. So it's a leader, like, right? So it cleans off the way for the next and and their followers, all right? So if you look at here, this candle at first created a wick, breaking the high of the previous candle, executed 0.18 lot because there is a clean traffic to the left. It to continue to pushing up, got like a 14 pips, and made around $24.48 and call it a day. All right. So looking at on a 30-minute time frame, it makes more sense. Okay. So the next trade that I took was at this point. So if you look at here at the same time, but I don't want to, I wanted to test out my, what to say, I wanted to test my experience. So for the experience purpose, I took a trade. Second trade, if you look at here, it has created a resistance at this point, and this 30-minute candle broke and closed above this resistance, having a long liquidity wick. So if you look at here, this is the liquidity wick. It grabbed liquidity like a slingshot and close above this resistance. The next candle open and break the high of the previous candle. As it's breaking the high of the previous candle, I executed my buy. Second, but reducing my lot size like a 0.02 because it's just for the test and just for the experience. That's why I got a like 15 pips and close everything. And altogether we made around like 53.93. It's awesome trade that I took this week and call it a week. So the basic fundamental aspect that we follow this week was just follow 1 or 2 trades a day, not risking more than 1 or 1.5% risk, just focusing one sessions, that is obviously the pre-London and London sessions. And the another fact was obviously, if you look at here, there is nothing than gold. So we focus on a single currency, we specialize it, and it's enough for to print money from the industry. Hope you guys, so if you feel good towards this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, comment below so that I can create this type of content and more informative videos on Forex. So like, subscribe, and comment below, and do not hit the notification button so that you can get this type of video at first. And guys, we also do a live stream, you can engage with that as well. And the another thing is we also used to post the videos like the live market updates as well. So let's learn and earn together. Have a great weekend. Bye bye. Take care.